Hey guys, and welcome to Valentina Pie's YouTube channel. This is a bird that I took several pictures of, and he's actually letting us open the window. See? And he's just eating. Dad. Oh. Dad, stop. Stop it. But see? It's so adorable. And I know some of you guys on YouTube love birdies. So, oh, goodness. Yeah. Okay, I don't have to whisper anymore. But that's just a short little video of a cute bird that let us open the window and
get really close.
And get really close. And I have some pictures that I can post in this.
How'd y'all decide to open the window?
Set there, but it has to be it's also the window. Usually when you stay too close to the window, they fly off.
And they don't have any parents take care of them either.
Just look at it.
Because they're just laid in front of the nest.
So, I can't believe it.
I can't even.
Aww.
Unless I know any better.
It's not scared. That noise. I didn't say it right there. I don't know. I thought you guys said that, but we're just not scared. Not the scared bird at all. We'll say it.
I think it's this small cowbird. Well, you probably can't tell. Look out, it's going to fly in here, dear, and then you're going to have a real problem.
I want to upload this to YouTube.
You doing it yet? There it goes.
Okay, I'm uploading this to YouTube. Okay, you guys got some bird footage. Bye. So, hello you guys again. I just want to say, come back in and say, I hope you guys enjoyed the bird video, because I forgot to make a closing. This is, our bird feeder, that, we leave out for the birds. And it's such a nice day out. I think I am actually going to go on a bike ride. I may actually switch out of my long pants because it was cold this morning, and it's still morning. It is, what time exactly is it? I'm editing a vlog right now. It is 11:12 a.m. Saturday, 4/11/2015, and that just reminded me that I got to do an update video about my back. There's some good news. But anyway, I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed the bird video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, share, do whatever you guys do. Wait one quick second. I know I keep changing my mind on things. This is what you get. You get reality. Valentina is very random, okay? There she is. This is a bird near, she's in my brother's helmet. She's in my brother's helmet. And she's a bird, and she has eggs laid under her. She's the mom. So I just wanted to show you that really quick. Some more bird footage, and she's in the helmet. So anyway, sorry for more randomness. Yeah, that's what you get from Valentina. And I'm not editing any of this because, hello, I want to show y'all reality of me. So, bye, God bless, and have a nice day. So, yeah, bird footage, yum. Bird footage, yum. Yeah.